If you have been using ChatGPT Plus and paying OpenAI $20 US per month, then you would love this video, because in this video I am going to show you similar experience but for free. This new AI assistant from Meta is really supreme and stellar. This is powered by Meta's new large language model called as Llama 3, which I have covered in detail on my channel. So if you are interested, please check out the first comment or the description in the video for Llama 3 in-depth discussion technically and how to install it and do a lot of other things. But in this video, I'm just going to introduce you to this free AI assistant powered by Llama 3. Llama 3 is one of the world's leading open source and most performant model at the moment, and it was just released 2 days ago. Meta AI is one of the world's leading AI assistant already on your phone in your pocket for free, and it is starting to go global with more and more features every day. You can use Meta AI on Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp, Messenger to get things done, learn, create, and connect with the things that matter to you. Meta AI was announced last year's Connect, and now more people around the world can interact with it in more ways than ever before. In this video, I'm just going to show you its web version because I'm based in Australia and it is still not available on WhatsApp and Messenger in Australia. But I already have done a video where I go into the process as how you can use it on WhatsApp. But as soon as it is released on in Australia, I'm going to make another video showing you how you can use it in Messenger and few other devices. But the interesting thing is that the Meta's website says that it has already been available in Australia, Canada, Ghana, Jamaica, Malawi, New Zealand, Nigeria, Pakistan, Singapore, South Africa, Uganda, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. And it will be they will be rolling it out in more countries every day. So Meta AI is smarter, faster, and more fun than ever before. So what you can do with Meta? Well, look, almost anything you can do with any AI assistant out there. If you're planning a date night with your wife or partner, or if you're planning a night out with your friend, simply ask Meta AI to recommend a restaurant with sunset views or maybe kosher option. If you're organizing a weekend getaway, ask Meta AI to find concerts for Saturday night. If you're preparing for a test, ask Meta AI to explain how something works, like how large language models work. If you're moving into your first house, ask Meta AI to imagine the aesthetics you are going for, and it will generate some inspiration photos for your furniture shopping. If you're creating a YouTube video, then you can create a thumbnail for it. So I'm going to actually create a thumbnail with Meta AI for this video, and if it would be good, I'll put it on the video too. Now there are a lot of things you can do with this Meta AI assistant. You can even talk with it. You can even create a packing list. You can simulate a mock interview if you're going for a job. So Meta AI seems to be available when you are trying to get things done at your computer too. So this is a website meta.ai which you can access right now today anywhere in the world, and you can have this seamless experience. As I said, you can use it in a lot of applications including Facebook, Insta, WhatsApp, and Messenger. And then for example, you have a Messenger group chat and you are planning some sort of picnic trip there. You can search in Messenger, and then you can ask Messenger to find flights for the whole groups to maybe Sydney or Melbourne or Christchurch, and then it will tell you which weekends will be better, which weekends would be crowded, and all that sort of stuff. So basically, you can bring out intelligence in your day-to-day life with the help of this AI assistant, and that is the whole purpose of all of these assistants, to make your life easier. Okay, now that said and done, let's try to play around with this Meta's AI assistant. So you can see on my screen, I'm already there. You don't have to log in, but if you want, you can log in with your Facebook account and it will maintain all the history of your chat. As you can see on the bottom left, I'm already logged in with my Facebook account. So for example, let's check out what this simulator mock interview is. Just click on it, and then you see that it is just giving you that let's conduct a mock interview. To tailor the type of interview I need to a bit more. So it is asking me what exactly I want to do. So let me answer it. I am interviewing for the job of um, AI engineer, and my experience is 1 year, and just focus on common interview questions. There you go. So let's see. You see, so it is giving us the questions here. So I can you explain the difference between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning, and when you would use each? So no, please give me the answer which I should use in interview. Okay, so I didn't stop it. So you can of course stop generating the response by clicking on this scale. So there you go. So it is just telling me a lot of other stuff. It's telling me job industry entry level because I had stopped it, so it lost the context there. Anyway, so let me ask it something else. I want to visit PG from Sydney. What would be the cheapest month to visit? Let's press enter and then wait for it. Okay, so this is bit of a an experience issue because I'm pressing enter and it is not doing anything here, and this is retreating. So maybe I need to reload it, or do I need to do a new conversation? So let me do a new conversation. Okay, so I didn't need it to do the new conversation. I cannot ask it in the same go, it seems. There you go. So it is saying that December to April, which are off season, October is a great choice. And you see that it is also telling me that um, flight rates there just 309. Wow. Okay, that's good. And then let's ask it some of the image questions. So let's click on imagine on the left hand side, and then you can just say, I am making a YouTube video to review Meta AI assistant based on Llama 3. Create a YouTube video thumbnail, please. And then maybe I just need to imagine. I need to. So it says start your prompt with imagine and see image. Okay, so I'll just try it later. Let me first try this. There you go. So it is creating some sort of image. So I'll let it run. So I just want to show you the speed of it too. So there you go. So it has created something like, I think I like this one more. This is much better. So I can edit it and I can just put it there. You see, if you can even animate it. I've just clicked on animation. There you go. So it is animating here. How good is that? Awesome stuff. And now if you click on this top right, you can download it, or you get by clicking on X, you can go back. So you can also click on these three dots to report harmful content. And now try to use imagine, and or maybe I'll just start a new conversation just to be imagine there is a redhead girl who is touring Sydney's Bondi Beach and enjoying the surf and sand. Not doing anything. I saw that it says that imagine, maybe I need to put slash. Oops, doesn't do anything. Imagine. So it's not really doing anything, but let's see. So I needed to press enter. I thought it is doing it in real time. Let's wait for it to come back. There you go, pretty cool. So you can see the image is quite vivid. Even the face is quite nice. There is a surf and sand, and it looks like a Bondi beach to me. And you can just select from any other image you like. From there, you can just select whatever image you think is suits your needs. You can go with it. This is the second one, and look at the vividness of the image, and the human face is also good, and fingers, which other models struggle. I think this is really awesome. Amazing stuff. So that's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link to this in video's description. Meta.ai, simple. Try it out. Let me know what do you think. The great thing is we don't have to pay it anything. I mean, you can ask anything from this, and this could be your companion. I think I'm going to replace it with my ChatGPT subscription. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, then please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.